All right, so something just a little different today, but still involving the shop, maybe involving your workshop. So if you're like me, I have hard water here at the shop. It gets, it gets all crusty when I'm putting it in my ice machine and everything like that. So we always get these jugs of water. Now, if you're sick of refilling these and having to drive them to the store, stay tuned because I have the solution for you. All right, if you're still here and you have one of these water coolers, you know that filling these 4-gallon jugs, pain. You got to lug them to the store, all that. So in order to make it simpler, what we decided to go with this Waterdrop filter. So this is not only a filter system, 10-stage reverse osmosis filter system, but it also will go ahead and it will put the minerals back into water. So it makes you mineral water. And better than that, it even allows for hot or cold. So if you wanted to go ahead and make yourself some hot tea, no waiting for water. And if you want nice cold water, like we all like cold water, it goes ahead and dispenses it without no more bottles. All you got to do is hook it up right to your water line. It filters it all for you, so you don't have to go sit here and run out of water, refill everything, anything of that nature. And it saves so much hassle. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and get this set up. I'll run you through anything that I run into as far as like complications with hooking it up, but it just taps right in your water line. And then you don't have to deal with running out of cold water ever again. All right, so one thing that I noticed right off the bat that's awesome, when you open this up, you have easy access to all your filters right here. So you could buy the replacement filters right on the Waterdrop website. Also has your little pump down there, and it comes with everything you need to hook it up. It comes with the tap, your water lines, and all that. So you have ambient temperature in the center, you have your hot water up top with a safety button so you don't accidentally burn yourself. And then you also have your cold water right here too. And it just dispenses right here. Has a little catch tray. This will actually float. What's really cool is this will actually float to tell you when it's full, if it has any like water sitting in it, so you can empty it. All right, so check this out. Installation is super simple for this. You simply have to take your lines here and add this T, which comes off. This white line is your fresh water. And then because you have reverse osmosis, it does filter the water and the excess water comes through this red line. Comes with the tap, and all you do is tap right into your drain line right here, tighten this down, tap your line right there, and then run them to the back of the machine. Then your machine is good to go. You can see you have your pump right down there. That pumps the water through, so it pushes all of that through all of the filters, and then it remineralizes your water right here after all the reverse osmosis and sediment filters. And when you're done, you are good to go. So now all that's really left to do, we have to wait the 20 minutes with this model for the water to push through the system. And after that, you're ready to go drink. Just push the button and dispense it. And enjoy your nice clean water. If you like content like this and want to see other random gadgets that I get for the shop, let me know. If you only want to see creative stuff like lasers and UV printers on the channel, let me know that too. But either way, until next time, Mike from Dow Designs, I'll talk to you soon.